Good morning, children. Welcome back to your social studies class. Let's continue chapter 11. Today, we will learn about new methods of farming and other types of agriculture in the form of livestock, poultry farms, horticulture, and pisciculture. Be ready for your class. New methods of farming. After the independence, agricultural production has been improved by using good quality seeds, modern farming machines and techniques, and natural fertilizers. Farmers are using modern machines like tractors, harvesters for agriculture. Some preventing measures can be taken by the farmers to avoid damage of crops by insects and pests. Organic fertilizers made from animal and plant matter must be used to increase the fertility of soil. Today, India is self-reliant in the production of food grains. Hence, it also exports many agricultural products to other countries. Children, please remember, in India, the Green Revolution was launched in the 1960s. During this period, the government took steps to increase the agricultural production. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is regarded as the father of Green Revolution in India. Now, other types of agriculture. Livestock. Livestock means animals that are reared by the farmers for their use, or we can say domestic animals. Examples of livestock are cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, oxen, horses, etc. We use them for dairy products, wool, and transportation. Animals like horses, donkeys, elephants make our work easier. Animals such as cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Hence, they are called milch animals. Our government has started programs such as the White Revolution and Operation Flood to increase the production of milk. Next, poultry farms. Birds like hens, ducks, and geese give us eggs and meat. For the rearing of these birds, big poultry farms have been set up almost in every city. Horticulture. Horticulture is the cultivation of plants, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and flowers for commercial purposes. Cabbage, apples, mangoes, marigold, jasmine are some of the horticultural crops grown in India. Pisciculture. Rearing of fish in tanks is called pisciculture. Fish are also a good source of proteins. They are reared in big tanks. Children, please remember that in India, the quality of cattle is very poor. So, veterinary hospitals and dispensaries have been set up to take care of sick and weak animals. The veterinary doctor is a doctor for animals. So, Goshala and Gosadan have been established to keep the cattle in ideal conditions. Animals need our love and care. We should be kind to them and also give them good food, clean water, and shelter. That's all for today. Thank you.